So this is the with and without. So I've been using this Pink Flash, their volumized mascara na sweet proof, smudge proof, and waterproof. This is 7.3 grams na siya guys. And what I love this one is legit na maka-volumize and ano ba tawag dito? Waterproof. So, yes. So let's do this. So first, i-curl na to. I-curl. Ouch. Mag-curl kita guys. Mag-curl ba? Ay, sakit. I-curl na nato siya guys. Then, apply. Dinalian agad ini. So, what I love this one is smudge proof, is sweet proof, and maka-volumize na ato pilok. And long lasting siya guys. And dili siya magpanda eyes. Biskan pa di mo siya hugasan or kuhaon sa tapos i-overnight mo dili. Perfect siya guys. Ooh. Diba? Perfect pang OOTD, perfect pang everyday use, and perfect pang party-party. Sa gusto mag-try, check out my yellow basket sa Blue App, PM me. This one. Pag mag-order ka ng ini, may imo na free eyelash curler. So, di ba? Perfect. And this is 100 plus na guys. Very affordable. So, gusto mag-try, check out na. Bye!